So this is what we looked at on Friday, the area of a circle. So the formula for the area of a circle we looked at was pi times the radius squared, okay? Now we said the pi is just a number, 3.141592654, and it goes on forever and ever and ever and ever and ever, and there is no pattern in its digits, okay? So we can't predict what the next one would be. And we use pi, when we use it, we can either use 3.14, but I would recommend that we start to use the button on your calculator, okay? And I think last time we all found out where that button was, okay? So we had a go at a couple of questions. We just finished off. We were working out the area of both of these shapes. Now, who can remind me, what is this line in this circle called? Hands up.
I know it.
Yep, Dana. It's called the radius. Good. Javian, can you sit round, please? And that is absolutely fine. This is the radius. So good. And it works in our formula. A equals pi r squared. R is the radius. Okay, and we put it into our calculator. Pi times 3 squared. We get our answer. What's the difference with this question, the second one? Hands up. Or thumbs up. Yes. Right, good. The line is the diameter. So what do we have to make sure we do in that instance?
You double the radius.
No, you don't double the radius. Yes, Xander? Yeah, okay, so you remember the formula requires the radius. We're given the diameter here. So in order to find the radius, we have to half the diameter, okay? And half of 100 is 50, so that's why we're using 50 in this example. Yeah? Make sense?
Yeah.
Alright, so we just finished off on that last time, and what I'm going to get you to have a go at is the following worksheet. Ba-doom. Okay? And what I want you to do is you're going to do a sketch of each circle, okay, of each one. Okay, so we've got radiuses, diameters, and then it starts to get more complicated. So these are the types of questions we want to get to. And I want you to think carefully about how you would have to go about these ones, because it's not the full circle that you're having to work out the area of, okay? But it's not as complicated as it looks, because just looking at this one, how much of the circle is this?
Half.
Okay, it's half of the circle. So what do you think you have to do? If you
Times that side by 2.
Well, no, if you wanted to work out the area of this half circle, you could work out the area of, imagine if it was a full circle first, and then do what to your answer?
Divided by 2.
Yeah, divide it by 2, good. What about this one?
Quarter.
Yeah, it's a quarter of a circle, so you would work out as if it's a full circle and then divide your answer by?
2.
Not by 2, if it's a quarter.
Oh.
Divide your answer by 4, right, good. What's another way of saying dividing by 4? Multiplying by? Say again?
1/4.
Yeah, 1/4. Yeah, multiplying by a quarter is the same as dividing by 4. Dividing by 2, another way we can say that is just multiplying by 1/2. Right, good. Okay. So those are the more difficult ones. We want to try and get up to there as quickly as possible. I'm going to upload this sheet onto Teams. Okay, so it is there for everybody who is at home. And you can use your calculators. Make sure you set out your work, okay? So I want a sketch, I want the formula, then your numbers in the formula, and then your answer, okay? Make sense? All good?
That's if you have us.
So if you're working on this at home and you want to upload this, I know it's difficult if you're writing it out, but possible ways you could do it. If you've got a scanner at home, you could scan it in, save it, and then upload it. Even, I don't mind if you take a picture of your work and you can upload it that way, that's absolutely fine. I know it's difficult, but I am relying on you to work on this. You know, it's in your best interest.